Hi there. My name is John Lester Menjola and I'm 16 years old. They call me Ter or Les, but in my house they call me Jan Jan. And my hobby is to play computer games. Sometimes I want to play badminton. And their first impressions to me, I'm a playboy, but I don't want to be like that. And I see myself being busy after 10 years. I'll become a businessman someday because that is my dream job and I want to apply my course or my chosen track in the last 2 years called K-12 program. And that is the ABM or Accounting Business Management. And then I think I'm also busy to my family because I think after 10 years I have a children's, and a wife, of course. And I'll do everything to them because I want to give them a brighter future. Thank you.